Homework set number 4, actually homework set number 4 and 5, 6, and 7 are all pretty similar. To get access to it, go to Senior Design ECE 403 on Bison Academy. Scroll down to homework set number 4, and there's the handout. Now in homework set 4, 5, 6, and 7, let's back up. Back in homework set number 3, you're working on your OneNote document, and you should at this point have your project charter. Each student should have their own work breakdown structure, the list of tasks that you're going to work on. Now is start filling those tasks one by one. Complete task number 1, task number 2, task number 3. That's in your OneNote document. On Blackboard for grading, I'm going to be looking at those tasks that you work on and look at how have you demonstrated knowledge of ECE while completing your tasks. And it doesn't have to be one for one. Some tasks could have no knowledge of ECE. Some tasks could have a lot of knowledge of ECE. For example, if you're just filling in the paperwork, that's kind of necessary, but doesn't really demonstrate knowledge of ECE. On the other hand, if you're doing something like, let's build a better mousetrap by detecting a mouse, that could include sensors, that could include filters, coding, motors, solenoids, lots of different ways to demonstrate a knowledge of ECE while doing so. What I'll be doing as the grader is go through your tasks and look at what knowledge of ECE you've demonstrated, and then update your grades on Blackboard. The grading is kind of while going through those tasks, what knowledge of ECE did you demonstrate? And for each area of knowledge, I'll grade it on a 0 to 10 point scale. 10 is demonstrating you've got a pretty good grasp of that concept. You're able to take that advanced area of ECE knowledge and apply it very well while solving your task. 8 points, kind of like B-level knowledge, 6 points C-level knowledge, minimal knowledge, 0 to 3 points. That's what's going to show up on Blackboard for each homework set, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Grades can be updated. If you got 2 points out of 10 on one area, you're more than welcome to keep on updating your tasks, keep on updating your OneNote document. Every 2 weeks I'll regrade it and update your scores. The final deadline for updating your OneNote document is Friday of Dead Week. That's homework sets 4 through 7. Homework set 8 is using tools. Presumably, when you validate that your design works, you'll be using some way to collect data. Those invariably are tools: oscilloscopes, multimeters, spectrum analyzers, digital analyzers, lots of things like that. As long as you're using 2 different tools to collect data and validate your design, you get full credit on homework set number 8. But that's kind of the idea behind homework set number 4 and 5, 6, and 7. Demonstrate knowledge, demonstrate your ability to apply knowledge of ECE 4 different ways. The first one's homework set 4, then 5, 6, and 7.